Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I am going to show you how to change dock size or behavior in your Mac. I am going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before getting started, let me tell you one thing, that is, it doesn't matter if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini, the steps are going to be same. So if you want to customize dock size or if you want to change the behavior of it, then to do that, you just have to go to system settings, which you can find in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Once you open settings page, look for desktop and dock option, select that, and on the right hand side you get multiple options. Now the first option is size. If you want to change the size of dock in your Mac, then you can move this toggle. If you want to increase the size, just move the toggle towards right. This is how you can increase the size. If you want to decrease the size, you can move the toggle towards left. So you can choose a specific size depending on your requirement. Now the next option is magnification. You can see if I am pointing the arrow towards any application, I am just able to see the app name. Nothing is happening. But if I turn on magnification, what will happen is this time if I point my arrow to any app, you can see we are able to see the magnification effect. You can also increase it. If I keep it to large, this is how it will look like. If you don't want, then you can simply turn it off and it will only show you the app name. It won't show you the magnification effect. So you can adjust this as per your requirement. Now the next option is dock position on screen. So if you want to change the position of dock on your screen, then you can select the drop down. You get left, bottom and right option. I have selected bottom, which is why the dock is present at the bottom. If I select left, it will go to the left side, and if I select right, it will go to the right side. I prefer it to keep it at bottom, but you can change it. Next option is minimized window animation. So you can just notice the animation. If I minimize this setting window, you can see there is a genie effect, right? If I minimize it once again, you can see the animation over there. You can change the animation. Currently it is set to genie effect, but another option available is scale effect. So this time if I select scale effect and if I minimize the window, you can see we are getting the scale effect. I love to keep it at genie effect, but if you like scale, you can use it. Now the next option is minimize windows into application icon. If you want the window to be minimized in application icon, then you can keep the toggle on. So if I minimize the window, it will go back to app icon, right? But if you don't want it, you can turn it off. And this time if I minimize the window, you can see it is minimized separately. If you want it, you can keep it off. But if you don't want this, then you can turn it on. And next time onwards, whenever you minimize any app or any window, it will go back to its application icon. Now the next thing is automatically hide and show the dock. See, no matter on which page I am, the dock is visible each and every time. So if I open App Store, still I'm able to see the dock over here. If I open Safari, you can see the dock is still visible. If you don't want it, then in that case, what you can do is you can simply turn on this toggle and the dock will hide automatically. So if you want to use it, you can point your arrow at the bottom and it will appear like this. If you have positioned your dock towards left side, then you just point your arrow towards left side and the dock will be visible. So you can use this option if you want to. If you don't want to use it, if you want the dock to be visible each and every time, then in that case turn off this option and the dock will be visible. Next option is animate opening application. If you want to animate opening applications, then you can turn on this toggle, but if you don't want it, you can turn it off. Next option is show indicators for open application. Now currently you can see I'm using Brave browser and I'm using system settings, which is why I'm able to see the indicator at the bottom over here. But if you don't want to see the indicators, you can turn it off and this time you can see the indicators are gone. So if I minimize the application, I'm not able to get it whether the application is open or not. If you want the indicators, just turn the toggle on and then you will be able to know which application is running in the background. Next thing is show suggested and recent apps in dock. If you want it, if I turn on this toggle, then after some time I will be able to see the recent applications which I have opened in dock. But if you don't want it, you can just simply turn it off. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.